Oxford at golden hour is dreamlike. This is Oxford from dazzling daytime quads and gardens to illuminated evening centuries-old stone.
I would love for you to join me in the architecturally stunning Oxford, where everywhere you look there is something gorgeous to look at. The absolutely incredible Gothic Revival, Baroque, Victorian buildings are just something to behold. Look at this gorgeous, warm, honey-coloured Oxford limestone. The absolutely gorgeous Bridge of Sighs. I mean, can you think of a more romantic piece of architecture? This has to just be one of my favourite pieces of architecture ever. I think it's beautiful. And the opposite side of the Bridge of Sighs, ever popular. Actually, I like the street lamp that's next to it here as well.
An astronomy professor turned his hand to architecture to design this building, the Sheldonian Theatre. His name was Christopher Wren, and he would go on to redesign the St. Paul's Cathedral.
Let's start from here and then walk right through. Look how ornate that is. Ah, wow. This is beautiful. Cool, you merge here. Wow. Cool.
And she said, I watched your film too. Where were you? In Melbourne.
Everywhere you look, it's just something else that's gorgeous to look at. Welcome to the Bodleian. I'm loving all the Latin. I mean, it's Shakespeare, right? Looks like Shakespeare. It's got the tower.
Easy to reach but easy to miss is this enchanting place. St Edmund Hall, also known as Teddy Hall, sits just off the high street.
This is Teddy Hall, and it's just the most gorgeous, cute garden.
It's always that first moment when you spot the Radcliffe camera, but here the top half illuminated by the golden hour light, you just think of all the centuries of memories that this place holds. Remember the Twin Towers of All Souls College in the background there, as we will soon be seeing them much closer.
This is a typical quad with grass in the middle and stone all around.
Magnificent view of the Radcliffe camera from All Souls College quad. And the glorious Twin Towers that I previously pointed out.
And that is prime example of gorgeous golden hour sunlight. In Oxford, you don't even need to plan your day, just go out for a walk and the day will plan itself. Everything is beautiful. Oxford is gorgeous in the evening, at night. Very moody, very mystical. A rare, fairly quiet moment. Well, not that, under the Bridge of Sighs.